if you really got it, pull up and don't flinch and let's go. I don't even know about that bitch. She the one who calling your wife, cause that is my hoe. And she keeps sucking my dick, and don't you let her waste your bend over and touching her toes. Bitch, I know he lay low, cause he don't want slow. Bitch, I came up from the bricks. Only way I thought I'd get out of that shit was a road. All my boys hitting them licks. Either that or they with them fees, and it's all of that dough. And since we ain't never had shit, you got a lot of way your nigga been tripping and go. If he don't, he lay low, cause he don't want slow.
Never wish for justice, fuck this. I'ma go abuse another substance. Cut with a different cloth and the fuck shit. Constant panic on my mind from what I done did. On me, bitch, I got bands in my black jeans, tight grip. Pussy be controlling, she matting. Baffling, my hair's broke, they say they fasting. All got your pockets dust, it's embarrassing. Let me address it, show you what that dress is for me. I undress it. She looking sexy, she like it when I get aggressive. The way she throw it back is what's so impressive. Gonna be swagging for some dangerous fuck boys. I told him shut the fuck up, I do not wanna hear one noise. And raging in the street with all my goons breaking windows. He said it's gang outside, you ain't outside, you little bitch.
Yo, boy, keep talking that shit. So if you really got it, pull up and don't flinch and let's go. I don't even know about that bitch. She the one who calling your wife, cause that is my hoe. And she keeps sucking my dick, and don't you let her waste your bend over and touching her toes. Bitch, I know he lay low, cause he don't want slow. Bitch, I came up from the bricks. Only way I thought I'd get out of that shit was a road. All my boys hitting them licks. Either that or they with them fiends, and it's all of that dough. And since we ain't never had shit, you got a lot of way your nigga been tripping and go. If he don't, he lay low, cause he don't want smoke.
Yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, I'm a wild boy. Fuck, I ain't I need. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. Fuck, I ain't I need. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. Fuck, I kill. I'm an Eastside Cleveland wild boy. Eastside Cleveland wild boy. We got baseball bats like the Indians, and my team pop off like cowboys. You're a right flag, throw that towel boy. I'ma jump right in that crowd boy. Do a shh, keep it down boy. And I'ma fuck you, blow that loud boy. All I know is how to kill every one of my cells. All they know is they can kill anybody but kills. I am untouchable, you would think I was in jail, but I'm in Mexico getting marijuana from Miguel. Bring it back into the States, put it on a scale. Measure out a half an eighth, put it in a shell. Split it, then I roll it and light it up like it's Independence Day. I got a bottle rocket, put it in the air. Snap back with my city on it. Text back with your titties on it. Levi's, put your kitty on it. Start grinding like the clips is on it. Drink until I get pissy, biatch. Smoke until I get dizzy, biatch. Lose control like Missy, but I'm a bad boy cause I'm with Diddy, bitch. There you go, that's John Doe. There you go, that's John Doe. Yeah, there you go, that's John Doe. Never mind, that's just Kells with that heat. No LeBron Doe. Yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. Fuck, I ain't I need. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve. Oh, I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. I'm a wild boy. Fuck, I ain't I need. Oh,
Squad, here come that bullshit. Beat a nigga ass to the DJ, stop the music. They say they want that wild shit. My spit, I'm up in the crowd, bitch. I'm so motherfucking violent. Yeah, bitch, I'm with Steve-O. We bustin' bottles with bad bitches, blowing weed smoke. Yeah, bitch, I'm with Steve-O. Will you rumble in the club, John Cena? I'm screaming Riverdale everywhere I go. I throw them bands, ho. Drop it low. Fuck 5-0. I make my own rules. Suck my Dragon Balls, bitch. Call me Goku. Yeah. This liquor got the best of me. Yeah. This liquor got the best of me. Machine Gun Kelly Flocker, that's the recipe. You gon' need King Kong if you step to me.
Cobain's back, Cobain's back. Got these crazy white boys yelling Cobain's back. I call my weed Nirvana, smells like Teen Spirit. And my pack so fucking loud you can't hear it. Yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch. Call me Steve, oh, yeah, bitch, call me Steve, oh. I'm a